Welcome to today's tutorial on how to video animate in CapCut. CapCut is a versatile video editing app that allows you to bring your videos to life with captivating animations. Whether you want to add dynamic text, create eye-catching transitions, or incorporate animated elements into your videos, CapCut has the tools you need to make your videos stand out. In this guide, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of animating your videos using CapCut's user-friendly features, so let's get started. First go to CapCut and click the Create New Project and import your video. Second you see Write Animations, so click the video and click the animations. You see many animations in, out, combo. This is very much easy. But do you know CapCut? PLS comment below. Alright, animating your videos in CapCut can take your editing skills to the next level, allowing you to create visually stunning and engaging content. Remember to experiment with different animations and effects to find your unique style and make your videos truly captivating. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more CapCut tips and tricks.